Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Zucchini Sabzi, a flavorful Indian stir-fry. To begin, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 2 medium zucchini, which is roughly 1.5 to 2 cups once cubed. We'll also use 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 small onion, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. For the aromatic spices, have ready half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala, plus salt to taste. Now let's get our ingredients prepped for cooking. First, thoroughly wash your 2 medium zucchini and then cube them into uniform half-inch pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. Next, finely chop 1 small onion, mince 1 clove of garlic, and grate or mince 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. It's also a good idea to measure out all your spices in advance, like your half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, so they are ready to go. With everything prepped, it's time to start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds until fragrant. Then, add your chopped onion, minced garlic, and ginger, sautéing them for about 1 minute until they turn lightly golden. Finally, add the cubed zucchini, along with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and salt. Mix everything well to coat the zucchini. We're almost there. After mixing the zucchini and spices, cover the pan and let it cook over low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the zucchini is fork tender. Remember, zucchini has a high water content, so you typically won't need to add any extra water. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once tender, remove from heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. Serve your delicious zucchini sabzi hot with roti or rice, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.